Zhejiang Bettn Machinery Company Limited, founded in 1997, is one of the earliest woodworking machinery manufacturers in China, with 25 years of production experience. We have 3 factories in Zhejiang, with a workshop area of 30,000 square meters. The factory adheres to the concept of green energy and environmental protection, realizing high proportion of photovoltaic power supply. Our products include various types of edge-bending machines, such as straight edge, beveled edge, U-shape edge, irregular shape edge, CNC rotor, CNC cutting saw, CNC drilling machine, etc. We take quality and innovation as a core objective. All products have passed EU CE certification and ISO 9001 quality system certification, with a number of national patent certificates. We hire more than 200 employees and more than 30 R&D technicians. The office area is 3,000 square meters, providing customers high-efficient pre-sales and after-sales communication and product customization services. Bettn has achieved strategic cooperation with the customers from 160 countries. We look forward to helping your career reach a higher level. Bettn, always at your service.